So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment database management system week 5th assignment 5th. So the first question is which of the following is are not a factor in choosing grade level? So these are the option: monetary cost, performance during rebuild, performance during failure, data capacity. So the answer of our first question is B, performance during rebuild. Now, the second question is which of the following is true about the business logic layer used in the model view controller MVC architecture? So these are the option. It deals with the user interaction. It enforces business rules for carrying out actions. It hides detail of data storage schema. It does not provide highest level view of data and action on data. So the answer of our second question is also B. Now the third question is consider a relation movies M code DNO subject M name director production year language and M code M name subject DNO director language M code subject year production. If we perform a schema refinement on movies, which of the following set of relations will be in the refined schema? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is also B. Now the fourth question is consider a magnetic disk with a storage space of 256 gigabyte and 64 surfaces. How many maximum numbers of track can one surface have if it has 1024 sectors in each track and the size of one sector is 4 kilobytes? So these are the option: 64, 256, 1024, 2048. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Now, the fifth question is consider that a mobile operator organizes user records in sequential files. There are separate files for each user mobile data usage. Records are organized into blocks, and one block contain only whole record. A file container user is data has 100 records, and each record is 60 bytes long. If the disk block size is 2 kilobytes and the block pointer size is 28 bytes, how many blocks will be required to store the record of user A? So the answer of our fifth question is D, 4. Now the sixth question is considered that a mobile operator organizes their user records in a database table. Each record is 60 byte long. The size of one disk block is 2 kilobyte. The data transfer rate of the disk is 664,000 bytes per second, whereas seek time is 24 millisecond. The disk unit rotate at 4800 rpm revolution per minute. How much time will be required if an user wants to know its information? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, approx 62.25 millisecond. Now the seventh question is consider a table mobile user ID, username, type, email. The characteristics of its attribute are as follow. So these are the characteristics. Which of these attributes are not good for index? So these are the option: user ID, username, type, email. So the answer of our seventh question is D, email. Now the eighth question is if mean time to failure MTTF and mean time to repair MTTR of a mirrored pair of disks is 100,000 and 20 hours respectively, what will be the mean time to data loss ignoring dependent failure modes? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is consider a hard disk drive with 512 tracks number 0 to 511. The read write head of the disk traverses the track in shortest seek time first order. Which request will be served next after reaching track 150 if the pending request in the queue are? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B, 141. Now the 10th question is what does a null bitmap indicate? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.